I just looked at my orders and my where I need to be and what time I need to be there and all that. And I'm glad I did, because I got to be there at 2:15 in the morning, not in the afternoon tomorrow, but basically tonight. I'm glad I looked at that, and I will be watching this weather, man. If it stay like this, I should be good, but if it gets worse, then I won't be good. It's Realest Blog on YouTube, man. Stay tuned. Peace. Man, what a fucking day. And the bullshit's not done yet. I gotta get up and be, well, at least I'm close, but I gotta be in my drop off by 2:15 in the morning and head back up the same E-way that's been shut down and crashing and all kind of shit. And it's fucking snowing again. So I'm hoping it don't get shut down the direction I'm going, because I'm right here at the cutoff, or the start, the beginning point of a cutoff, where they got the E-way shut down, the I-80, headed west from where I am, about 75 miles shut down. So I'm hoping that 80 East stays open, because that's where my next pickup is. It's about 3 hours away. Ridiculousness. Bunch of craziness. Hey, I was gonna try and get a video out for y'all, but I think I'm gonna wait. We just gonna add today and tomorrow on one vlog, so it'll be two videos in one. That's how we gonna finish it off, man. I just gotta finish eating. Got time to wind down. It's a little early, but I didn't sleep too good, so I should have no problem going to sleep. He's spinning. Alright, fam, thanks for tuning in, man. I'll get up with y'all later. Get up with y'all, yeah. About 10 hours. Actually, I take that back now. It's probably like 7 hours from now. Alright, fam, hit that like button, man. Stay tuned. Peace. What it do? What it do? It's a new day, motherfuckers. What go on, bro? Damn, I forgot to turn the lights on. Just busting out a post trip. It was my appointment time was for 4:30 yesterday, but apparently when they changed my time, they didn't change it in the system over here at Walmart DC. So buddy asked me if I could just drop, if I wanted to just drop. Of course I do. Do you have an empty for me? He said, yeah. I'm like, bet. We in the game then. Slide the tandems, check in the corner. Yes, sir. Damn. Still ain't gotta turn them damn lights on. I'm tripping. It's cold and icy out here. Hey, but hey, y'all need me to hold this camera showing y'all post-trip inspection. I know that's not something you need. So, I'll pull this back out when I got some more information to give. Thanks for tuning in. Thanks for rocking with your boy. I'll holler in a little bit. Hit that like button. I think I said it like 3 times already. Yeah, do that shit. In the game, baby, in the game. Got a new trailer, inspected, ready to go. Suspension raised. I don't need to do that. I need to lower that shit. Hopefully that works. Yeah, it's coming down, it's coming down. Pull this out to show this. I did not do that, so if this comes up later, I'm gonna have footage. I think that's all the issues I got. Got to find a trailer washout now. There's a bunch of broken little pieces of wood in there. Yeah, that was all the damage I saw. Look how close that bad boy is. That's the Loves right there. That's the Loves I was at last night. It took me longer to get out of the parking lot than it did for me to make it on over here, get checked in or whatnot. Hey. All right, fam, I'll holler later. Thanks for tuning in, man. Enjoy some of this road footage. Get as much as I can. Peace. cold, bruh. It's been worse though. It's 28 degrees outside, a warm 28 degrees. This is what I want to show y'all, man. There's nothing but ice in this goddamn, what's called this thing, driveway, parking lot, docking station. Ice, so dangerous. Be walking around on this shit. But hey, this is gonna be a short trip. This load's gonna be a short one, man. They already get me in the dock. They already loaded me. I hear them and feeling back there shaking around. And I dropped this load. I think it's a dropping hook. I'm not 100% sure on that. I don't feel like looking, but I think it's a dropping hook, and it's like 42 miles away. Then I'm out to Chicago. And I don't have to drop this load off until Friday, unfortunately. It'd be nice if it was tomorrow, Thursday. But it's looking like if I can make some good time, man, I'll have some time to maybe stop at the yard, do some washing, wash some clothes, and then get me some of that good shot food. You feel me? If y'all don't know, Chicago got the best food in the nation. Stamp that on everything. So yeah, I just want to show y'all what I got going on, man. Nice 200 and something miles to get here, and now I'm here. Alright fam, I'll get with y'all later, man. Thanks for tuning in. I don't even know if I got this vlog started. I think I did. But either way, we good for now. I'll holler later. Y'all be easy. Stay tuned. Bullshit, they wasn't bullshit. At 41,000 pounds, about 40 something miles away. I need to hit see if it's a scale nearby, making sure I'm legal. They got it all the way to the front. Fam, I just wanted to show y'all what I got going on over here. Close this, seal this, do my paperwork, and find a scale if it's one close. Oh, sheesh. Damn. great, but they locked it up. Yeah, they locked it in, so must be good enough for them. Let's go. Yeah, a lot better than I thought I was gonna do. Knew I was gonna get it in, but I didn't expect to get it in first time. No pull-up. That's what I'm talking about. Stay tuned, family. Let's see where I gotta go next. Alright. Let's take a look, see how we looking back here. There's a fast load and a fast unload, back to back. I'm about 2 hours away from my next, I think it's a drop-in hook. Yeah, buddy. 2 hours away, and I only got 4 hours left on my drive time today. Not my drive time, my all day to work. Damn. There we go. Damn. Alright, family. Let me get with you later. How much fuel we got? Yeah, 3/4. We good. We need at least 3/4 to go drop this bad boy off. With that said, I don't even gotta stop. Go right on in. Changed my mind, family. I changed my mind, and I remembered that I did get the vlog started, but it wasn't today. It got started yesterday. I remember while I was driving, I'm like, oh yeah, I said I was gonna put these 2 days together. So that's just what it is. I know y'all's probably watching it like, you don't remember what you said? You don't remember you said such and such? Nah, nigga, I don't remember. Got a lot of things going on in my head. A lot of things going on in my life, and I didn't remember, but it came back to me. But you see where I'm at with it. This is where I'm gonna be. I said, fuck it. I ain't going over there to get that next trailer. I'm lying my ass off. I can't even act like it was my idea not to go, because it ain't ready. I looked at the paperwork, and it won't be ready until like 10 o'clock this evening. So, and it is a drop-in hook. Taking a look at the surroundings. Good old Nebraska for you. Not a damn thing to look at. But yeah, so I ain't gonna get it. I'm gonna just wake up whenever I wake up tomorrow and head out and do my drop-in hook. I ain't rushing, because like I said, I don't even drop the load. I don't even do, after the drop-in hook, I don't drop off that load until Friday morning. And I'll be like 500 and something miles away. So I have all day tomorrow to drive those 500 and something miles. We'll put a dent in it. tomorrow's Thursday. Could just put a dent in it and then get up in the morning on Friday and finish it off. We'll see. We'll see how it goes. See how it goes. Alright, fam, thanks for tuning in, man. This is how we're gonna finish off the vlog. Go use the bathroom, give me some Subway or something. Call it a RISAP. We'll start a new vlog. You know, once I head out of here, I'll holler. Hit that like button. Peace.